Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger pop-up. If you are facing the problem with Facebook Messenger chat head where the chat head bubble pop-up does not appear, in that case, you are in the right place. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and do not forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss any videos from us. To fix your Facebook Messenger pop-up is not working, first make sure you have downloaded the latest version of Facebook Messenger in your device. Go to your Play Store and in the search box type in the Messenger app. Then check if there is any update available for your Messenger application. Since I already have the latest version downloaded on my device, I don't have the update button available in this page. But if your app is not up to date, then you might be able to see the update button. Tap on the update button and download the latest version of the Facebook Messenger app. Once it is downloaded, go and tap open your Facebook. If that fixes your problem, then that's great. But if it doesn't, then the next way is you can open the Messenger and tap on your profile picture at the upper left corner. From your profile, scroll all the way down until you find the chat heads. Tap on the bubbles or chat head. Click on the all conversation can bubble. Once you do that, now you will be able to receive your pop-up from the Facebook Messenger quick and easy. If this method still not fix your issue, you can simply go and restart your phone by tapping on the restart button. Go back to your Facebook Messenger after that. If that method solves your problem or not. Another method is press long on the Messenger app and then you find the app info. Click the button. Here you can see the many buttons. Tap on the notification enable button right next to the show notification. Make sure all of the notifications are turned on. Make sure that your chat heads active option is turned on as well. Now you can go and see if your problem is solved or not. So those were some of the fixes. You can try it out whenever you are not being able to see the Facebook Messenger pop up on your display. I hope you found this video useful. If you do so, give us a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks or comments, you can comment down in the comment section below. I'll see you guys soon with another video. Till then, keep watching. Bye bye.